Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to make a 30, 60, 90 drawing triangle out of a single sheet of paper. All you need for this is a single plain sheet of paper and a good bit of patience, because it might take a couple of tries. What we're going to make is this triangle, and it's going to have exactly 30-degree, 60-degree, and 90-degree corners, which will be useful in drawing. So what we're going to do here is first we're going to fold the sheet of paper lengthwise, hot dog style, and put a crease, nice sharp crease towards the end. It doesn't have to go all the way to the bottom, just up here at the top is good enough. Then we're going to do the same thing in this quarter over here. So we have a fourth. This one needs to go about halfway down the page. Okay, and that's going to produce, so now I have a line at the half, and we have a line at the fourth. We're going to take the corner of the paper, and we're going to bring it over to the line at the fourth, and make sure that corner is precise and stays folded right up here. So we want to make sure those line up, and then get this pretty close. The closer you get, the better your tool will be. And there it is. I'm going to pin these two parts with one hand and then slide it out with the other. This right here forms the triangle that I want to get. So this is my final triangle shape right there that we're looking for. But we have extra paper, so you can either quit now, cut this out, cut that triangle out and call it a day, because that's good enough. Or if you want to create something thicker and stiffer, which is what I'm going to demonstrate next, you can continue watching the video and you can try to finish this out with a nice thick part. For visibility's sake, I'm just putting some outlines on here. You don't need to do this, but it's really hard to see what's going on in the image without it. Next thing I'm going to do, so if you're still paying attention, we're going to come in here and we're going to fold in so that it's nice and tight up inside. Form that triangle, and then we're going to come in to the bottom and fold a corner up here, and then repeat on the other side. And right now we're just taking up material because we're going to fold it up inside. So we're just taking up material. So we'll repeat. And then we're going to repeat. And then fold it up underneath. This one we're going to tuck into the corner, and fold it down, and push. And with practice, you'll get it nice and neat. And that forms a 30, 60, 90 triangle. So this angle is 30 degrees. This angle is 60 degrees. This angle is 90 degrees. Your first try might not be smooth, but with a couple of practice tries, you'll get a nice precise triangle that is great for sketching and measuring. Hope this helps out, and good luck.